and Kerengere Kia Dr. Fred Matiang'i Kobe presidential candidate is hurting Omogusii.
No,
because that is what we're on.
No. I know your Fred Matiang'i. Please leave Fred Matiang'i for 2027.
I am not
August.
for him. I'm asking you.
I am saying
the reason the rallies
members of parliament.
The rallies Barongo Bagokora, which you are saying Chico hati Omogusii, they are fronting a certain angle ya siasa.
For 2027.
What is wrong?
Inchetinda ika 2027. Ikotika ko ntuma ko 2027, which is not here.
How was for example Barongo okoro mukutano Kenya ngakiamuzu yetu kule check ya basari.
Sorry?
How was his position?
Me, I'm asking you, are you aware in a Bogere development is a broad-based government development in terms of infrastructure? Nebi ntobinde chistima nebi ntobinde chiachire iguru. Are you aware? Are you aware
that you must be in government?
Yeah. No, not must. They are in government. Jubilee imogokwana, I'm only working with government.
Okay.
Yeah. Aba are in government. Basa iniraneti bare serikali. My worry is nkige kogera bare serikali badinaete abantu bali batochorete the share of their broad-based share of national resources. To me, that is most important.
You know, again, take a